Now we are to see how we can be able to alternately create zeros and ones. So that's what we are going to see right now. So let's take for an example. We will be having I and j, right? So we know that i's value will be 0 and j's value will be same. So what we are going to do is for checking this diagonality, so for checking this, like what we will be doing is, if I, right, so I is equal to j is the one of the condition that we are going to take. If I is equal to j is the first condition, and or so if this condition is not true, what I'm going to do is, and one more condition I'm going to take, oxy, or in all these circumstances, what we will be doing is, whenever we were about to add I and the j, we will be getting n minus 1. So as that will be getting equalized. So this is what we will be having. So if it is so, so what we will be doing is, we will be giving it as 1. So we can write this as well. In this case, if I plus j is equal to n minus 1, in the sense we were printing system.out.print as 1. So this will be getting executed, else what we will be doing is system.out.print is equal to 0. So this is how we will be printing. And simply this is the way, so through which we can be able to achieve diagonal way of zeros and ones. So we can be able to create that like that. So with a diagonal zeros and ones, we can be able to achieve by this way. Just put an or condition within if, and that's greatly enough for this. Okay, so let's see how we can be able to create a code as for this. So let's assume I, j, and n is equal to 5 over here. Let's create the for loop. For I is equal to 0, I is less than n, and we have I plus plus. Okay. So for this, within this, we are going to create like j is equal to 0, j is less than n, and j plus plus. We are creating this. Within this, I'm going to create the both conditions. So within if, what we can be able to do is, if I is equal to j. So this is the condition. When we have all the I and j is equal to 0, this will be getting executed. Or one more other condition I'm going to create, wherein I plus j, right? So I plus j, which should be equal to that of n minus 1. So this condition should also have to be satisfied. Yeah. If both these conditions are satisfied, I'm going to create like system.out.print 1, right? So 1 space. So we can be able to create like this. Else, what we are going to create is system.out.print 0, 0 space. That's it. We can be able to create like this, and we can write like system.out.print ln. Let's run this and check what will be the output. We know that, so through whenever we were giving I is equal to j, then this leftmost diagonal will be completed. If we add I and j, which should be equal to the n minus 1, in the sense this right diagonal will be completed.